Abiciriza babire begitiremwe abavujo ba boda boda batangirire Bishop Mulingo go mutano obwabirata Burisa bwa Damasco. Ogo omukuborera kwa jimiriro obushomanguzo butekire mushecho mwihanga.
Nolevo mparamento kwano bibese umuntu wakushanire billion igarakaga neina umutesi house girl nagwatsa esende sijiri mwebe safria ngwatakasi esende biri nyingi muno.
Abarundi gane 16 batirwa hemikono kandi abarjuruma kanasagaruka ikamunana agarukora buriso ubu
kandi tunko Burisa bwa Damasco tusima ruhanga munonga abo kwakwisha ko Burisa mukuru niwo murebezo bwitu cyaba kikuru munonga abo kwa yatwegesa ibiri kwatamagara gitu
mama wetu akatwegesa icyo gukunda kutasiga abana bacu tukarebera amakagacu abasheja kubwo kutunagiriza
umakura gandi abashomesa abintu mwagana no kubona abonesa bezi ogisireho kubatoroboza barabwirwa kureka imizejo ukora buruku kubire ahambuga ya district ya Lyantonde omukwendero rusisira ningash camp urwo kutendeka aba scout hamwe na guides urumazire sabiti okurwo mu mashomero nkaga na shatu
nikeshe mutatukwatera radio mukamutera biti nga tuza kwikiriza.
Right now we are getting cases in schools where our children are being harassed. So as scouts, this is one of the ways we are going to pray. Make sure our children enjoy their rights.
Last year, we had around 300 something cases of child abuse, child marriage, child trafficking, child labor. So we all have a part to play in protecting our children.
Abashomesa ba primary abatorinwe ku rugo mashomero nkaga na shatu ka Lyantonde nabo betabiro mu kutende koko kandi bahijirwe kubeco kureberaho mico n'imitwarize.
And we say
discipline nanda bareba nyekiro nabareba umukasheshe bareba ijo discipline rero kumuri eki discipline mwaje twara mu bana ihanga ryitugakira.
As we know, one good turn deserves another. As we do them in this way, they will become good future citizens.
We have a roadmap. The first activity was training youth teachers. The second activity, we shall have a district camp for pupils.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Anthony Twine na Sandy William.